everyone, and welcome back to Speak Easy, Please. I'm Jess.
And I'm Leo. Hello.
How are you today, Leo? Feeling ready to speak easy?
I am Jess. But honestly, I'm a little tired today.
Oh no, why is that?
Well, my days are just so busy lately. I do so many things, and sometimes when I try to tell people about my day in English, I just freeze. It feels too complicated.
I understand completely. That is a very common feeling.
Really?
Absolutely. We do a lot of things every day. Trying to list them all can feel overwhelming in a new language.
Exactly. It just sounds like a robot list. I do this, I do that. It doesn't sound natural.
Well, that is exactly what we are going to fix today. We are going to talk about daily routines. We will make it simple, polite, and natural.
That sounds perfect.
Before we start our day, if you want to feel more confident when you speak, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We are here to help you practice every week.
Yes, join us. It helps a lot. Okay, Jess, where do we start?
We start at the beginning, Leo, the morning.
The morning, okay.
Tell me, Leo, what is the very first thing you do?
Easy. I wake up.
Perfect. I wake up. Now, a quick question. Is waking up the same as getting out of bed?
No, not for me. I wake up, I look at my phone for 10 minutes, maybe 20 minutes, and then I leave my bed.
Exactly. That is a great distinction. So we have two different verbs here.
Okay,
First, you wake up. That means your eyes open. You are mostly conscious.
mostly, yes.
And second, you get up.
Get up.
Yes, to get up means you physically leave your bed. You stand up.
Ah, okay. So I can say, I wake up at 7 a.m., but I get up at 7:30 a.m.
That is a perfect sentence, Leo. Very natural.
Nice, I like that. It's more specific.
It is. Now, notice the little word you used before the time.
The little word,
You said at 7 a.m.
oh, right, at.
Yes, when we talk about specific clock times in English, we always use the preposition at.
At. Okay. At 7 a.m., at 8:30, at noon.
Exactly. But if you just want to talk about the general part of the day, like the morning, what do you say?
Can I say at the morning?
Good try, but no. For parts of the day, we say in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening.
Ah, okay. That's tricky.
It is a little tricky. Let's practice.
Okay.
I wake up 6 a.m.
I wake up at 6 a.m.
Good. I drink coffee the morning.
I drink coffee in the morning.
Perfect. You got it.
Okay. At for time, in for parts of the day. I need to remember that.
It just takes practice. Okay, so you are up, you are out of bed. What happens next in your routine?
Next, I go to the kitchen. I take breakfast.
Stop right there.
Did I make a mistake?
A very common one. It's a small thing, but it makes a big difference in sounding natural.
Okay, tell me.
In many languages, you take a meal. But in English, we don't usually take breakfast. We have breakfast.
Oh, really? I always say take breakfast.
Many people do, but have breakfast sounds much friendlier and more natural.
Okay. I have breakfast. Can I also say I eat breakfast?
Yes, I eat breakfast is correct too, but have is very common for routines. I have breakfast, I have lunch, I have dinner.
Okay, that's good to know. I have breakfast.
What do you usually have for breakfast, Leo?
Usually just coffee and toast. I'm not very hungry in the morning.
Sounds nice and simple. Okay, so after breakfast, you probably get ready for work, right?
Yes, I shower, I get dressed, I brush my teeth, the usual stuff.
The usual stuff. Great phrase. And then you go to work.
Yes, I take the bus to work.
Excellent. Now let's look at the workday. What time do you begin working?
I begin at 9 a.m.
Okay, begin is good, it is correct, but in conversation, we often use start.
Start. Okay. I start work at 9 a.m.
Yes, and when do you stop working?
I stop at 5 p.m.
Again, stop is okay, but a more natural word here is finish.
Finish. I finish work at 5 p.m.
Exactly. Start and finish. They are great pair of verbs for routines.
Okay, Jess, I have a list now of verbs. Wake up, get up, have breakfast, start work, finish work. But it still feels like a robot list.
You are absolutely right. A list of verbs is boring. We need to connect them.
Connect them? How?
We need sequencing words. These are soft skills words. They help the listener follow your story. They make you sound organized.
Oh, I like sounding organized. What are these words?
We use words like first, then, next, after that, and finally.
Ah, I know these, but I forget to use them.
That is normal. Let's try putting your morning together using these connectors.
Okay, let me try.
Start with first.
Okay, first, I wake up at 7 a.m.
Good. Now use then.
Then I get up and I have breakfast.
Excellent. Now use next.
Next, I shower and get dressed.
Perfect. Now use after that.
After that, I go to work.
See, that sounds so much better than just a list of verbs.
It really does. It flows better. It sounds like a story.
Exactly. It is polite to help your listener follow your story. Now, let's do a quick listen and repeat to practice pronunciation and rhythm. I will say a phrase about routines, and you repeat it after me. Leo, you repeat too, okay?
I'm ready.
Great. Listen and repeat. First, I wake up early. Then, I have a coffee. Next, I take a shower. After that, I start work at 9. Finally, I finish work at 5. Excellent job, everyone.
That feels good to practice saying them out loud.
It helps build muscle memory. Okay, Leo, we finished work. Now it is the evening.
The best part of the day.
I agree. What do you do in the evening?
Well, I get home around 6 p.m.
Get home. Good phrase.
Then I usually cook dinner.
Do you make dinner or cook dinner?
Are they different?
Both are perfect. I make dinner or I cook dinner. Both are very natural.
Okay. I make dinner and then I relax.
Important. How do you relax?
Usually I watch TV series or maybe I read a book.
Sounds lovely. And finally, at the end of the day?
Finally, I sleep.
Okay, I sleep is true, but usually for the action of going to your bedroom to end the day, we say, I go to bed.
Ah, right. Like get up in the morning, go to bed at night.
Exactly. I sleep is what happens after you go to bed.
Okay, that makes sense. Finally, I go to bed at maybe 11 p.m.
Perfect.
Jess, can I try to put my whole day together now using the connectors?
Please do. I would love to hear it. Take your time.
Okay, here goes my routine. First, I wake up at 7 a.m. Then, I get up and have breakfast, just coffee and toast. Next, I take the bus to work. I start work at 9 a.m. After that, I finish work at 5 p.m. and I get home. Finally, I make dinner, relax in the evening, and go to bed at 11 p.m.
Leo, that was fantastic.
Really? It felt okay.
It was clear, it was organized, and it sounded very natural. You use the connectors perfectly.
Thanks, Jess. I feel much better about describing my day now. It's not just a robot list anymore.
Not at all. You sound like a confident English speaker. So, today we learned some essential verbs for routines. Wake up, get up, have breakfast, remember, not take, start work, finish work, and go to bed.
And we learned the important little words, at for time and in for parts of the day, in the morning, in the evening.
Exactly. And most importantly, we learned how to connect it all together using sequencing words like first, then, next, and finally.
These words are magic. They make everything sound smoother.
They really do. Now, we want to hear from you in the comments.
Yes, tell us about your routine.
Answer this question in the comments below. What is your favorite part of your daily routine?
Ooh, good question. For me, it's definitely having coffee in the morning.
Nice. For me, it is relaxing in the evening. Let us know your favorite part in the comments. Well, that is all for today. You did great work, Leo.
Thank you, Jess. This was very helpful. I feel less stressed about my busy days now.
I'm glad to hear that. Keep practicing your routine, everyone. Speak easy and be kind to yourself while you learn.
Yes. See you next time, everyone. Bye.
Goodbye.